The knot I'm about to tie is called the 2/2 hitches, and its purpose is to attach a line to a fixed object. You want to take your rope and go under, take your working end and go under the standing end and go back over it, forming a half hitch. And you want to make sure you have enough tail to do this again. Pull that snug and repeat. Under the standing end and back over. Just like that. That's 2/2 hitches. When you pull it, you want to make sure it's snug. I'll show that again. You're around your fixed object. Go under the standing end, back over to form a half hitch. Make sure you have enough tail. Pull it snug. Repeat the same to create another half hitch. Go under, like that, and back over it. Pull it snug.